The MJX Bugs3 sold by Drocon is an intermediate quadcopter that is capable of carrying a GoPro-like action camera as a payload. Opening the package, you will find that the Bugs3 does not come 100% assembled. Before hitting the skies, I had to attach the blades, blade guards, and extended landing legs. As precaution, I also registered this drone with the FAA since it's fairly large and weighs over a pound with my action camera attached. Speaking of action cameras, it's important to note that this quadcopter does not come with an action camera. For the aerial footage, I used my own action camera, which is an 8-man 4K action camera. The link to that camera can be found down below. And that brings me to really the only thing I don't like about the Bugs3, and that's the included action camera mount. It feels really cheap, it's really hard to open, and I do not think it's going to last very long. You can already see areas where the plastic has been under too much stress and is starting to turn white. So if you're constantly going to be placing your camera in and out of this camera mount, please keep in mind that's not going to last very long. You should either find a different camera mount or buy an extra one. I had no qualms about anything else included with the Bugs3. The remote control, though a little on the light side, is pragmatically laid out, easy to use with gloves on, and has a built-in buzzer to warn when the drone is either out of range or running low on batteries. The advertised range of 500 meters held true during testing, though the claimed 15 minutes of battery life with the included 7.4 volt 1800 milliamp battery is actually closer to 7 minutes. I would suggest buying an extra battery as charge times with the stock charger are painfully slow, about 3 hours when the battery is completely empty. If you are like me and have only flown small handheld drones before, then it will take you a little bit of practice to get the hang of flying this quadcopter. After about 5 minutes of messing around with it, I felt comfortable enough to fly the drone a couple hundred meters away. To start flying, all you have to do is turn the remote on, plug the battery into the drone, unlock the motors by holding down the red button on the controller for 2 seconds. From here, throttle up, and you are in the air. The Bugs3 is very responsive in the air. You can switch between high and low responsiveness modes using the button to the far left side of the controller. Over the entire duration of my testing, I never felt the need to use the high response mode. Even in light winds of 5 to 7 miles per hour, the drone was stable and easy to fly. One of my favorite things about this drone is that I can do 360-degree flips in any direction with just the push of a button. To perform a flip, tap the first top right button of the controller and move the right stick in the direction that you would like the drone to flip. The drone will flip in this direction and you can continue flying afterwards. Now, I did have a couple wrecks when I was getting footage for this review. Actually, when the video started, you should have seen one of those. And from those, I can tell you that the Bugs3 can definitely take a beating. This is a very durable quadcopter, but don't worry if you do manage to break something. Replacement parts such as the 1800 kV motors, ESCs, and even the blades are readily available online. On top of that, this quadcopter is extremely easy to service. The top just pops off and you have access to almost everything, and there might even be some room in there for some possible upgrades. If you're in the market for a powerful drone that's easy to use, can carry a GoPro-like camera for under $100, then I really do have to recommend the Byte 3. I liked it so much, so I'm going to be using it for the channel. This is going to be the channel's drone. I'm going to get some aerial footage with it. It's going to be really neat. I really do like this quadcopter. If you're interested, the Bugs3 is currently being sold on Amazon for $90. The link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. That's going to be about it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can go ahead and post a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. If you didn't like this video, please tell me why. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to support us, you can do so by using my Amazon or eBay affiliate link. You can also support us by checking out the Patreon page. And of course, please do not forget to drop a like on the Facebook page. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next installment of A Computers and Technology.